As the sun is setting, I would love to invite you to imagine stepping into the third module. You've really felt the somatic sense of safety in yourself, in connection with others. You begin to put yourself back together. And now is the time to step into your desire. There's nothing as naked as being fully honest with what we want, with what we desire, because now people can really judge us. Before that, we can play games and see what crumbs we can pick up. We can try to get it indirectly from others, but to actually fully even begin to feel it and to own it and to stand there and you and not you, and to just, that is exposure to rejection, abandonment, critique. We're naked, right? In addition to that, we're moving more towards pleasure. We've gone from this somatic sense of safety, we go into play, which is required for creativity, safety, creativity, and then pleasure. How can we combine and weave in the experience of the erotic, of the eros, of the pleasure that moves us towards what we want, which is more fullness, in combination with all the fears that are coming up. Don't be too big, don't be too strong, don't be this. But hey, now we have a womb of a community who knows you, who is taking delight in seeing you expand beyond your fears. Yes, even those fears. And to create a space for you, to draw you out like magnets of love. I want to see you in your fullness, creating this amazing field of permission. So this is the module where we step out of the shadow, beginning to offer reflections to one another, to put one another back together into this wholeness. And we also, when we allow the erotic animal out to play and explore, where mistakes becomes learning, where you learn from me and vice versa. This is where we put it all together to create this rocket fuel that will send you out into your next chapter of your life. Mwah!